Hey guys, Shruti here. Today I am going to share a amazing DIY, a perfect body lotion, especially for winters, which is going to change your life. If you trust my skincare DIYs, then you need to try this one because it's awesome. There are some key features about this body lotion which makes it amazing. The first one is it's the best consistency. It's not thick, it's not thin, so it's spread on your skin very well. For the second feature, I want to give you guys some more information. Like once we take a shower, our pores are open, especially in winters because we take showers with warm water. Okay, so the pores are open. So when you apply the body lotion, you want this body lotion to sink into your skin, especially in the pores, so that this stuff can actually go into your pores and repair your skin. At the same time, it's going to lock the moisture throughout the day, so you do not need to reapply the moisture, body lotion 4 or 5 times throughout the day. That's that. If you are going to use a body lotion which has SPF in it and just after taking a shower you apply this body lotion, this SPF body lotion will go deep into your pores, which we do not want because SPF is a chemical no matter what. If it is going to protect you from sun damage or anything like that, but it is going to go deep into your pores as well. So I will highly recommend you guys to try this one out because it has aloe vera gel in it and it is a natural sun protector. So it's going to protect you from the sun, but at the same time it's not going to clog your pores or it's not going to deposit any chemicals into your pores. But that's being said, if you really want to use a good SPF cream, I will highly advise you girls to try this one, and then on top of this you can apply your SPF body lotion as well. First thing I need for making this recipe is a oil. First I'm adding 1 teaspoon of castor oil, and because I have very dry skin and it gets more dry in winters, I'm going to use castor oil. But if you have oily skin tone, just use sweet almond oil. And all the products I'm using in this video, just check out the description box because I'm going to link everything in the description box over there. We all know the goodness of oil. It helps in making your skin reflective and glossy and smooth. So depending upon your skin type, choose a oil. Second thing I'm going to use is 3 teaspoons of glycerin. Now glycerin is a little bit thick and it's a little sticky as well. थोड़ी सी चिपचिपी होती है, तो क्या होता है ना कि it is going to adhere to your skin pretty well, because what happens in winters is whatever you apply, because we wear full clothes, all the cream whichever we apply, it actually transfer to the clothes. So that's why we are adding glycerin in it, so that it can go deep into our skin and it's going to adhere to our skin. This moisturizer which we are making, it is going to make sure that our skin is perfectly smooth and moisturized throughout the day. Third thing is 6 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Now, if you go out every single day, you need SPF in your body lotion. Now, this aloe vera gel is actually a natural sun protector, so that's why we are adding aloe vera in our body lotion. And 1 teaspoon of rose water just for its fragrance, because it refreshes your skin and it smells amazing, and everybody want a amazing smelling body lotion, right? So that's why we are adding rose water in it. Now mix all the ingredients well together. You can see the consistency is just perfect. It's like a body lotion. Now you need to make sure the consistency is like a body lotion so that you can spread it all over your body very easily. At the same time, a good amount of this body lotion is present on your body. If you're going to make a watery consistency body lotion, it's not going to stick. A lot of the product is not going to stick on your body and it's not going to moisturize you throughout the day. So you have to actually keep on applying the body lotion. So that's why we are making a body lotion which is having a good thicker consistency. I'm going to transfer it in a bottle so that it's easier and convenient for me to apply this body lotion. One more tip, if you have extremely dry and flaky skin, just add 2 vitamin E capsules in it and it's going to make your skin extra smooth. The best part about this body lotion is you can make it in advance and you do not need to remake it 4 or 5 times, because you can keep it as it is. You do not need to keep it in a refrigerator or something like that. You can keep it in your washroom as it is for good 3 to 4 months. You can use this body lotion as it is as a body lotion, or you can use it as a hand lotion or a foot cream or as a face cream as well. Now that's been said, for the best results after taking a shower with warm water, if you can apply this body lotion, you will see amazing results. Especially before going to bed, if you can apply this body lotion, especially to your hands, it's going to make your hands so soft and like amazing. Just try it, girls, once. and I'm sure you are going to come back onto this video and you are going to thank me by commenting below stating that this is an amazing DIY. If you had enjoyed this video and if you want me to make more DIY videos in future, then don't forget to hit on that like button, because every like is like a high bulb in my heart, and hit on that subscribe button. इससे क्या होगा कि जो भी मैं फ्यूचर में वीडियोस बनाऊंगी वो आपके एक नोटिफिकेशन जो है आपके यूट्यूब होम स्क्रीन पर आ जाएगा और आप एक भी मेरा वीडियो मिस नहीं करोगे। तो मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।